Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your Roblox age if under 13. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and go to the search option, search that to Roblox support, then click on, then showing here to this dashboard, fill up all from username and email, confirm email, select your device, and explain your main problem. You can write this message and then finally click on to continue. Then Roblox team automatically change your Roblox age if under 13. So that's it. That's how you can do it.